Hello everybody, my name is Servando German Serrano and I'm a software applications engineer within the 96 boards team at Linaro. We are going to look at how to enable the Arm-autonomy software stack on AutoCore's PCU. The full steps have been published in our blog at 96boards.org. The Arm-autonomy layer provides a hypervisor-based solution currently using Zen for autonomous systems. It contains recipes and classes to build host or DOM0 and guests or DOM-U systems. The first thing we need to do is to get the Yocto sources. We will create a new folder and use it as our work directory. We are using the repo tool to download and sync the sources. Before building the images, we need to introduce a patch in the Meta Virtualization Zen source. The patch is publicly available and details on how to get it are within the blog post. So now we download the patch file and modify the bitbake recipe so it is used within the build process. We are ready to start building the guest image so we can add it automatically to the host image at build time. We start by modifying the BB layers and local conf files. For the guest image VM, we are building a core image minimal type image. We will skip the build process as it can take a couple of hours. After the guest image is built, we can put together the host image. As with the guest, we need to update the BB layers and local conf files to introduce a number of variables tied to the Arm-autonomy software stack. For the host image, we are using an Arm-autonomy host image minimal type image as suggested in the documentation. After the host image build is completed, we can prepare the micro SD card with the image for the PCU. First, we start by creating a partition on the card. As shown, we leave enough space for the DOM-U disk, which we have named guest. Following the steps in the blog, we put the image together. Once finished, we are ready to copy over the needed pieces to the SD card. We can now insert the card in the PCU and boot the board. We are using Minicom with the serial port on the PCU. If we followed all the steps, we will see how Zen boots first, which then starts the host or DOM0 image running Linux automatically. We can use the root user to log into the DOM0. After logging in, we can use the Zen guest manager to first create the DOM-U, which we are naming myGuest, and also use the Zen guest manager to start our newly created DOM-U. We can then log into the DOM-U console using the xl console command. We also use the root user to log into the DOM-U. Within the DOM-U, we can now run applications that are confined to the DOM-U disk space. We use the Zen guest manager to show the status, stop and remove the DOM-U. And this concludes this first introduction on bringing up the Arm-autonomy software stack on AutoCore's PCU. We will use this work as the stepping stone towards enabling ROS2 and AUTOWARE.auto as DOM-U payloads in the near future. Please check the full blog on the link and reach out for any doubts and queries. Thanks for watching.